I get that.
How to get your hands, your fingers falling off. You hold it.
How do I do that? Keep my gloves off for a sec.
Wait, your fingers